Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the battery terminal inside of Subnautica 2. Battery terminal is extremely helpful because whenever you're using your equipment, almost everything you use except the survival tool runs off of a battery. These batteries are rechargeable, so you don't have to keep making more of them. You just have to unlock the battery terminal and put it inside of your underwater base. So to get the battery terminal, we're going to start here by the life pod, and we just need to head directly to the north. And this is where we're going to find what's called the old habitat. This was the settlers of this planet's original home before events of the story took place. So you're going to want to head to the north. You can go over here, you can head down inside this little canyon, and here you can find a water current that will help expedite your journey and jet you all the way to the old habitat with very little effort. Once you get here, you'll see this old rundown habitat that's flooded. Just head around back and you should be able to enter either from here, or if you go near the front of the building by the welcome home sign, you can actually zip underneath of here and head up through the bowels of the base. Once you get inside of here, you're going to want to find your way upstairs through this little ladder, and the first fragment that you need to scan is sitting here on the wall. Go ahead and duck inside of the bunk room to get both a black box, which is right over here, and some oxygen. And then we're going to head to the larger part of the base. Next, we're going to cross this bridge. You can get more oxygen at this little oxygen tank here. And then we're going to go into this big room where the second fragment of the battery terminal is. And that's it. Now you have the battery terminal unlocked and you can build it inside of your base. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.